Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a easy everyday glam eye look. This is the look, and I'm actually not wearing any fake eyelashes, which you won't see very often on my YouTube channel. I always feel like lashes kind of make the look complete. But today I felt like I kind of wanted to keep it this way. This way the look looks a little bit more soft, but still a little bit glam, if that makes sense. I just wanted to do a look using no fake eyelashes. I didn't intend that when I started this look, but when I applied mascara, I was like, well, it's actually already looking good, so I'm just gonna keep it this way. And hopefully some of you might actually like it, because I know a lot of people comment down below that they don't really wear lashes, so this one is for you guys. But yeah, in this video I'm gonna show you how I created this eye look, so let's get started. So for today's video I wanted to do a really easy, quick, everyday eye look. Normally I always do like really up close eye looks. Today I'm gonna do a combination of that you can see me blending from far away and that you can see up close. This way you can see like how I hold the brush, and maybe this is gonna be a little bit more helpful. Let me know in the comments if you prefer the way I used to do it, or if you like the way I'm gonna do it in today's video. That will be really helpful. I received this, what is the name? The name is Iconic Chrome Pigment Paint and the brand is Illamasqua. I received it I think 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it looks absolutely beautiful. So for today's look I wanted to use this in combination with some other eyeshadows. But before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm going to use my all-time favorite eyeshadow primer, which is the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And to apply this, I'm taking my favorite brush to apply this, which is the Sigma Beauty Precision Angled P84 brush. Mine is almost running out. It's actually getting a little bit dry, so I think I have to get a new one. But what I do, I just dip my brush in it, and then I directly apply it on the eyelid. So what this does, it kind of makes sure that the eyeshadow that you apply on your eyelid will stay in place perfectly all day. But also this one particular that I'm using will kind of remove like redness from the eyelid. You can see it's almost like I use like a really full coverage foundation on my eyelid. And this will just be really nice because now you have like a clean base for all your eyeshadows. Then now the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm taking this contour kit from Anastasia Beverly, and I'm taking the shade Vanilla with a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit all over the eyelid, and this will just make sure that the eyeshadow primer is locked in place. Now for today's eye look, I'm gonna play with this palette from Kylie Cosmetics. This is called the Bronze palette. I bought this like a really long time ago. It's actually a really nice palette because, as you can see, it has a lot of neutrals. So this is like a really nice palette to take with you if you're into like those warm tone kind of shades. So I'm gonna start using the middle color right here, which is like a really pretty orangey color. The shade is actually called Citrine. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. And the brush that I'm using is the Morphe M441. And I'm just gonna start blending this all over in the crease. Then now I took the Sigma Beauty E42 brush and I use it with the same color again to blend out the lower lash line even more. Then now for my outer V, I want to kind of darken up this area. So I'm going to use this shade right here. And the brush that I'm using is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill G834 brush. Then I'm going in with the Illamasqua Iconic Chrome Pigment Bait, and I'm using it in the shade Mesmerizing. I'm just gonna use my finger to apply this. My nails aren't like super long, so it's easy to do that. And then I'm just gonna press it on the eyelid. Now if you recreate this eye look, you can keep it this way, go in with some mascara or some false eyelashes. I think it's actually a really nice, pretty, subtle bronzy look. If you just use some mascara only, it's gonna be like really soft, but still really open up the eyes. I want to kind of try this new eyeliner, which I received from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I haven't tried it yet, and I have heard amazing things about it. So I wanted to try it for today's video. The pencil is called the Liquid Liner, and as far as I've seen online, the reviews are amazing. They say it's like really matte, it's really easy to apply, so I just want to see for myself if that's true and how it looks. So I'm just gonna start with creating like a simple line above the lash line. So this was the moment that my microphone stopped working. I have some problems with my audio. I think I have fixed it now, so hopefully for my next upcoming video this won't be a problem anymore. The cable, there was something wrong with the cable basically, and so annoying because if you have filmed all day and you watch at your footage and you see that your audio isn't working, it's like so frustrating. But yeah, I applied the eyeliner and I actually really liked it. And then now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm taking the black eyeshadow and I'm gonna apply this at the outer end of my eyelids. At first, when I started doing this makeup look, I just wanted to do some eyeliner and stop, but I felt like this look kind of was missing something, so I decided to go in with a little bit of black eyeshadow and apply that at the outer V using a really tiny blending brush. Just kind of press it and blending it, and then when there's not much product left on my brush anymore, blending it a little bit upwards towards my crease. So I really hope you guys like the way I filmed today's video, like some shots from more far away, some shots from a little bit more closer. Let me know if you like it or if you prefer it the way I used to do it by doing like really close up. I know this might be even better because you can see the application a lot better, but just let me know what you think. So now I applied the Lucky pencil in my waterline, which is the Glide On Slide On pencil from Urban Decay. I'm using this for my waterline. It's a really beautiful pencil with like a really warm undertone, and it has a little bit of a sheen into it. Then now I'm going to use some mascara. I'm using my all-time favorite mascara, which is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. I think I'm using this mascara now for almost a year and I really like it. It really lifts the upper lashes and it makes my lower lashes super long, which I really like. Okay, so the eyes are now finished. I could go in with fake eyelashes, but I'm not really feeling like wearing them today. I already think it looks quite nice with only mascara. If you do recreate this look and you want to go for lashes, of course, you're free to do that. You can give your whole own twist to this eye look. And then this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoy watching today's video. I really like how it turned out. I think the eyes are soft, but yet a little bit glam. Just a little bit kind of an in-between look, not too dramatic, but not too natural. Like a really nice everyday look if you want to do something a little bit more glam. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!